Okay, this is Science Week 27, Day 2, and we are going to continue a discussion of using some sort of signal to communicate. So the first question there is, actually, you're going to watch a video, first of all, to learn more about communication. When you're watching videos, don't forget to go in present mode. It's a little bit easier to access and it looks better on your screen. And then after the video, you're going to answer the question, what do smoke signals, telephones, and texts have in common? On the next slide, there's another video, and this time, though, you're going to learn about Morse code. And the question that they're asking you to think about as you watch this video is, how does Morse code transfer information over long distances? So this is something you may or may not have heard of, and it was used extensively in the World War I and World War II, and then also some people even use it now. You could use it as a call for help. Then you're going to listen. This is a chance for you to practice it. So you're going to listen to this Morse code message, and you'll do that by just clicking on that symbol there. And you're going to use that decoder chart on the right and see if you can spell out the word. I tried this myself. It was pretty fun, and I think I did okay. So it spelled something out anyway. You're going to do it again. There's a second message, so another chance to try it. And then on these last pages, you're going to just write a one-word message on a piece of paper and then change it to Morse code and then see if you can send that message to someone somehow from across a room. And I don't, maybe you'll do it by tapping on your table. Maybe you'll do it by, you'll use a metal can, do something, see if you can come up with a way that you could do it. And this second time, they ask you to maybe try sending with a flashlight and see if you could do that. So maybe in a darkened room, see if you could send a message that someone would be able to read. Kind of fun to try, and I hope you have fun trying it.